Good morning friends and welcome to the pre-market view. We've seen sharp uptick in the global markets, particularly European markets, after the decision by Mario Draghi that there is going to be a further cut of about 0.1% in the refinancing rate as well as the deposit rate, and that led to some kind of a up move across the European markets, and they were up anywhere from 1% to almost about 1.5%, except FTSE 100, which was marginally down. US markets were also up about 0.6 to almost about 1%, as they also had an effect of what happened in the Eurozone. Apart from that, the job data, which is likely to come today, is expected to be much better than market expectations. So even US markets closed at a record high, and when we look at the Asian markets, Nikkei is up almost about 0.25%, but the rest of the markets are not showing that kind of enthusiasm that we have seen in the global markets. SGX Nifty is suggesting that we are going to open up about 35 to 40 points higher, somewhere close to about 7,500 levels. In terms of flows, friends, we had a strong inflow in the cash market yesterday. FIs put in almost about 1,369 crore. This kind of a triple digit number we are seeing after 19th May, where again the FIs had put in somewhere close to about 1,300 crores. The domestic institution was sellers in the cash market to the tune of 425 crore, and in the index futures we've seen the FIs selling to the tune of about 869 crore. Overall sentiment continues to be positive. We are seeing long action across mid-cap packs, be it power, infrastructure, banking, and some of the broader market small cap stocks as well. So overall momentum in the market is clearly positive, which is going to be aided by this kind of FI number and the global setup that we've seen. So expect for some more upside action in today's market. On that note, let me invite Sadhana to take us through important F&O cues and ideas that we can have from the F&O side.
Good morning friends, let's have a view on derivatives. In yesterday's trade, we have seen that after a positive start, markets continue to trade with a positive bias, as buying was visible in many of the blue chip counters across with sectoral indices. Except Bank Nifty, all sectors mostly closing positive territory in yesterday's trade. And we have seen that short covering was seen in Nifty futures, as around 8.58 lakh shares were reduced in open interest, and Nifty futures price increased significantly by approximately 70 rupees. On the other hand, cost of carry is decreased by approximately 7%, and Nifty futures premium also decreased by from 14 points to 12 odd levels. On the options front, PCR is increased from 0.75 to 0.78, which is clearly indicating that put option has seen good activity than call option. Yesterday, put option 7,400 and 7,300 has seen good additions in open interest. We have seen that buying was happening in both the strike price 7,400 and 7,300. On the call strike, we have seen that unwinding activity taking place in 7,500 call option, and we have seen that good short build up in 7,600 and 7,700 strike price. There is one security in Banpira today, which is Dish TV. Yesterday, FIs were net buyers of approximately 588 odd crores in future and option segment. Mainly they were net sellers of 889 crores in index options. Our 5-day CVM stands at 7360, lower range for the market would be 7300 and higher range would be 7548, which is our monthly straddle break-even point. If market cross this level 7548, we may see further targets higher. As Singapore Nifty sub by 34 points at 7524, all US markets closed in positive territory and Asian markets also trading in positive, so we may see a positive start in Nifty futures today. That's it from derivatives. Thank you.
Friends, now let me take you through Sharekhan pre-market action, starting with actionable ideas. First of all, some positive news for sugar industry, as the bailout package has been announced by the food minister, which could provide additional interest-free loans to the millers to the tune of about 4,400 crores. And the food ministry is examining a proposal to raise the import duty from 15 to about 40%. So this could be a big positive for the sugar industry. So one can go long on Balrampur Chini. The current price is about 78, with the stop loss of 76.50 and a target of about 82. And EID Parry, one can go long. Current market price is 211. Stop loss could be 207, and a target price of about 218 to about 221. European regulators have come out with some kind of relief for the rain vaccine, as the regulator has said that there are no issues with their Tuansa unit. So this is definitely a big relief for Ranbaxy. So one can go long there with a stop loss of 435 and a target of about 457 to about 466. Here is the watch list for the trading in today's market. The stocks with positive bias are MTech Auto, ITC, SAIL, Tata Motors, Sun TV and Coal India, and the stocks with negative bias based on the open interest and technical levels are IDBI, OBC and Bank of India. In other news and update, Idea is likely to do a QIP of about 3,000 crore and the price could be around 136.98 rupees, and the open offer for United Spirits is going to begin today and it will close at about June 19. There could be an important announcement with respect to the gas pricing by the new government somewhere in July, as the notification ends at that point of time, and there are expectations that the new gas price could be fixed at about $8 per unit, and this could be a big positive for Reliance Industries. In other news and update, J&K Bank will sell about 5% stake in the PNB MetLife by FY15 to raise about 500 to 600 crores. So that means that the valuation of MetLife could be somewhere close to about 10,000 to 12,000 crore. This could be a positive for J&K Bank. And in Infosys, yet another top level person has exited. Mr. Prasad, who was heading the strategic sales and marketing at Infosys, has resigned from the services. In other important development, the dry weather prevailing in the country, particularly in April and May, could result into a lower tea output. So there could be some kind of an increase in the tea prices, which could be positive news for some of the tea companies. So watch out for some positive action across the tea stocks today. And Arvind Mills, some positive news as the American garment retailer Gap is set to open its stores in India early next year. That's it from all of us, friends. Have a great trading session and great weekend ahead, and see you on Monday morning.